Main title of my paper is Enhancing Temporal User Navigation with Log File Analysis in the Education Domain. I am pursuing PhD from Guru Jumbeshwar University, Haryana. In my presentation, I am presenting about the log file analysis. Analyzing traffic data about your website is an important process for promoting online, increasing search traffic and business. Regarding this is related to the website traffic. Regardless of how big your site is and how many users it has, you should have regular website audit. With it, you will get information about your user sources. Check website visitor behavior, what you need to fix to optimize your resources. If you are not examining how your site is performing, what results you are achieving, then you are missing out on potential visits and user every day. Website visitor tracking gives you a way to instantly see what people are doing on your site. Depending on the tool you use, some benefits include: you can monitor how effective your site is. You can figure out how long visitors are sticking around. You can see which pages are triggering visitor interest. You can monitor the impact of your marketing efforts. You can determine where web traffic is coming from. You can increase efficiency of your website. You can watch day-wise, month-wise, season-wise, event-wise the visitor on your website. Building better navigable system with easy to spot quick links is a prime motto of the analysis. The feature is particularly useful in making a user-friendly website. A good navigation system can improve the chances of visitor taking action browsing your site longer. How website is working? When someone visits a website, their computer or other web-connected device is communicated with the website server. Each page on the web is made up of dozens of distinct files. The site server transmits each file to user browser, where they are assembled and formed into cumulative piece with graphic and text. Every file sent represents single hit, so a single page viewing can result in numerous hits. The log file, mainly I work on the log files of the server. The log files of web servers are essential for website owner to identify any anomaly to check the web traffic. However, the log file contain valuable information on the web usage pattern visitor. When combined with temporal information, I have taken the temporal information such as the month, week, with the event information such as holidays, season, examination season, recruitment season, alumni meet, convocation. The log file shows changes in user interest time to time. This is the methodology. There are 3-step methodology used. Identify the field needed from web server log file in first step. Clean the data only to include rows with information of interest, thereby making results robust. Extract the hits, visits, and click-through rate. Data collection overview of the website. In this work, the data is used from the real log file from an educational organization website. The website hosts a wide variety of functionality, including information about the faculty, departments, courses, admissions, examination results, academic calendar information. That information always collected by the log files. At what time these web pages are served by the clients. Data collection for this work, data was collected from web server log about 2 years between 2020 to 2022. The data covers a wide range of events, annual and seasonal. Python framework are used to extract necessary attributes from the log files. This is a format of the log file. First, log file collect the remote address of the user that is related to the host name or the IP address. Then second is the identity of the remote user. Third one is the username. If there is a login page and password, then it will also collect the username. And the timestamp is at what time hit the page by the client from the other side on the server. Request is like get and post or HTTP or HTTPS, and that is also collected information. Status is the whether page is successful seen by the client side or there is any other. There are so many code about this. How many bytes consumed by the page, that is also shown. HTTP referrer is the third party website from your website is served like Google and other search engine. And HTTP user agent is that is a request browser or operator. We can know the browser, whether it is Mozilla or Internet Explorer from the client side, and also the device, whether it is a mobile served from the mobile or laptop or through computer. The information on server is also collected. Pre-processing of data. While log file contain everything happening on the website, there is no need to take all data to make decision on user preference. To maintain a focused view toward the goal, remove all necessary elements. This study aimed to identify activity pattern to assure easy navigation. Only landing pages are captured to take user desired pages. Hence, the work included the popular pages in PHP, HTML. Matrices used. We have used the two field, that is hits by the visitor and visits by the visitor. Hits is the number of time a page is loaded by a user is counted as the number of hits. Hit means even you have advertisement on the page, that will be also counted for the user. The number of hits is indicator of repeated interest in a given page. However, it is possible that hits can confuse the number of times a human has visited a page if in a given session a user reloads a page for any reason. Visit, the number of unique user loading a page is counted as visit. For this measure, logs are divided into valid user visits in a single month. We have counted single count for a month of a single visitor or IP. And the final visit count is the total number of such unique user who visited the unique pages in a month. Visit count is an indicator of popularity of a page in a month. Page with wider interest and more usability are captured with this count. The use of the visit is to identify how the interest among the stakeholders change over time about a particular topic. This is an analysis. We have annually and monthly analyzed the monthly pattern methodology. To study the monthly pattern, we look at each year, then look at the hits and visits on the most popular pages from each year. The color code bar charts over the month. I will show the graph. This is the graph for 2020 month-wise popularity of the pages. Even you see the results page in the, this is the university website. Results page, examination held whole year in 2020 due to COVID-19 pandemic. And there is another PG program, even there, that is also prolonged due to the admission process from 2020 to 2020. We have done all admission whole year from June to December or next year, January, February also. This is the same pattern in the 2021. Even you see the bar, results bar is the popular bar, and other activities are not more in this event. And you will see the admission, you will see the admission bar or results bar or date sheet in 2020 and 21. And figure 3 and 4 also observed the hits. These previous figure 1 and 2 are related to the visits, and hits is the cumulative of all the hits on the website. This has the same pattern like that. Date sheet is the maximum popular, and admission is the maximum. Other activities are very less in 2020 and 21. This is a hits in 2021. Thus, this sudden surge in activity can attribute to the reopening of lockdown in the country. There is a need to emphasize that in-person gatherings were cancelled during the year 2020-21, which reflects in the data as an imbalance in the popularity among pages of some events. It hypothesizes the change in regular cycle of admission and change in the admission schedule. Annual, we have also taken the annual pattern for hits and visit 2021 and 20. This is the bar of all hits on the pages on the, we counted hits. That is also on the results date sheet, like, but there is some other popular pages. We have done the alumni meet online, that page has also popularity. If you see this in the, that also in there. But the physical activities like youth festival, convocation, everything is stopped during the COVID, and other events also. So there is no any other activity on the website in this duration in 2 years. This is the 21 visit hit 20 visit it. Every time you will see date sheet, examination, otherwise admission. The admission are also online at that time. No other activity on the websites in 2 years. Conclusion, this work introduce a real data set from educational organization. The main aim is to develop an easy navigation pattern system that can assist users in moving efficiently between pages of seasonal interest and importance. To that end, firstly, aggregate the necessary logs by removing unnecessary paths. With the help of these matrices, analyze and seasonal and annual pattern. It identifies that even though the cycle admission and academic activities are disrupted by COVID-19 wave, the stakeholder interest has seen a surge based on events. We have planned in starting to propose the solution as one that centers around the upcoming events as per the academic calendar, and the popular pages across the time should be maintained well on the show. According to we plan to show the pages according to academic calendar on the website that will be hit on the dashboard. But as observed that the year 2020 has seen drastically different activity pattern compared to other annual patterns. So followed and proposed that educational organization website and any other also professional website should look at the temporal trend of the pages. And once a page start gaining the hits visits required to breach the threshold, the page should be pushed to the dashboard. It means academic, we have discarded the academic calendar also, and we will see the hits and the breach of the threshold for the pages on the website through the log server file. By including these smart recommendations, we can avoid the pitfall of any disturbance in the academic calendar owing to unforeseen circumstances. Future work, having analyzed the pages with the help of hits and widgets, the aim is to do more hybrid analysis that includes metrics such as clicks through rate that can be used to rank the pages well and recommend a system for the preferred pages. These are the references of my paper.
Thank you, Mukesh, for your wonderful presentation.